So we got the Moto E7. We're gonna try and get the Google lock off of this. So I see there's a password here, and yeah, anyways, so here's what you do. You got two buttons on the side, and it's volume up, volume down. So, or I mean power button and the volume down. So just hold them two buttons right there. And what it'll do is just stay holding the volume down and the power button. And just keep holding it, keep holding it. Then you'll go to a menu, okay? So go right up here to the one that says you use volume up, and you can just go to recovery mode and then press the power button, okay? Okay, then from here, just hold the power button right on the side here. Just hold that and press volume up. So when you hold the power and press volume up, it'll go to this menu, and then go down to wipe data, factory reset. Then go down to factory data reset. Okay. Then it shows at the bottom, it says wiping data, formatting, done. Okay. Then reboot system now.
Hello, Moto.
Now, most likely the phone's got an FRP lock on it, so we're just going to go at the route that can get you by the phone. So what we do is we want to get past the FRP lock. If we go forward, it'll say log into a Google account, or it'll ask for that pattern. So go to emergency. Okay, then click on emergency information. Tap that, then go over here to this right there, the edit, click on the owner right there, and you'll see this little line right there. Click right there on the picture, do choose image, okay, then click the three dots up, or the three lines over here, and then go to photos and hold your finger on photos. Oop, I did it wrong there. So click on there, hold your finger on photos, oops. Yeah, hold it right there, okay? And then it'll go there. So anyways, it's not just a press, it's just hold your finger on it. All right, so from here, you got storage permissions, go on that. Click on contacts. Click see all apps with this permission. Okay, boom. And then you can do like show system right up in that corner. And then from here, do a search. And just put in setting right there, okay? Then do search. And so you'll see the setting ones right here. So click on the second one, and then click on open. Okay, so from right here, we're in the settings. What we want to do is first connect to Wi-Fi. So connect on do that to use the Wi-Fi, and connect on your Wi-Fi, whatever it is. So as for me, it's this Wi-Fi. Oops, let me see, I spelled it wrong. And connect. And then once it's connected there, so okay, so anyways, I'm connected. So all I needed to do was be connected to Wi-Fi, and then just go back, and from right here, we want to go on apps and notifications, and do see all 43 apps, and go down to Chrome, and click open. Now this is a Moto E on Android 10, so I'm showing you the route that worked for me on Android 10. No thanks, right there. Okay, so let's just go on the search right here, and let's go add ROM, and you'll see add ROM bypass. So just do add ROM bypass. It's one that's been working really great. So they got a nice little menu here. And what this menu does, it lets me get to a smart screen lock. Okay, let's go on smart screen lock. Okay, and then we want to pick a pin. So click on the pin. I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Confirm. Okay, and then do yes, I'm in. Got it. And this garbage pops up. X that out. I click on Smart Screen Lock again. Click on that again. Okay, it says all set. Got it. Anyways, it's all set. Okay, from here, let's just go back all the way. All the way. Right to the beginning. So, all the way to the very beginning. Okay, and back one more. So now let's just do start. Okay, let's skip this. There's two routes to do this. This though is the easiest route. So I wanted to show this one. I'd show another video on another route that probably works for later Android versions also. But this route I found really easy for Android 10. I just do don't copy. Check in info, then it says verify pin 1, 2, 3, 4. So you saw that it first had a pattern lock and at the beginning, and now when I reset the phone and it took off the pattern lock, and then when I jumped forward through emergency, I made a pin lock, which changed the pattern lock to a pin lock, and then boom, that unlocked it right here. That allows you then to get into the phone. So I'm just going to skip this for now to show you. Skip. So the phone's unlocked here, and there's no more Google Lock. So go right there, send usage data. I don't know, take all them off, accept. Re-enter pin 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, skip. Okay. Yeah, I just like to go across this menu just to show you that you're in this phone. So this is probably about the easiest unlock there is out of them. So yeah, it's like this one was straight up easy. It doesn't matter what you put on these. You unlock the phone anyways. It's just getting past this menu. I just want to show you to the main menu. So yeah, see right there. So that's how you do it on the Moto E7, and it genuinely unlocked, and it did have a Google account on it, and it was locked with a pin pattern, and now it's got nothing on it. And so if I was to do about phone and Moto model hardware, it's the model XT2052-6. we're using it automatically updated to the newest Android 10, so it's obviously looks like it's working with the newest Android 10 right over right there, Android 10. So there you go. All right.